Students, today we shall see that when some work is going on and power fails, what operating system does when power resumes. Okay, let us see. This is done by maintaining duplicate copy of the information. Suppose operating system is controlling a bank. Operating system is storing the value of the in their account. So this is the information about the balance. The balance of Deepu is 8,142. Now, a processing of a check is going on. Pay to Anil this much amount, and it is to be given by Deepu. Is it correct? Now, let us see how this processing will be done. This is equivalent to Anil is equal to Anil plus 1013. Deepu is equal to Deepu minus 1013. Now, so these two things are done. So what actually happens is this, that it starts processing. Pay to Anil. Anil is equal to Anil plus this. Name of the topic is recovery from power failure. Recovery from power failure. Is it correct? So, Anil, in the balance of Anil 1013 will be added. So this will become, yes, okay. Okay, I am repeating it again. I am repeating again. Can you hear me now? In the balance of Anil, amount will be added. which is 7280. Is it correct? Yes. And in the amount of B2, this will be subtracted. So this will become 7129. So this is what is supposed to be done. Okay. If everything goes in a nice manner. So automatic processing of the check is going on. Is this correct? Now, but what happens? Let us see. Okay. I cannot understand what is the meaning of autosave, Prashik. Anil is equal to Anil plus 1013 has been done. So 7080 done. Power fails. Jack is still inside. A machine is, why? You see, the balance of Anil is 6267. When 10, so it will be 7280. Yes. Fine, 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 fine. Now, this has been done. Power fails, check is still inside. So we are doing some processing of some computer program. Part of the computer program is executed and remaining part has not been executed. Power fails. What is to be done when power resumes? Is it correct? What is to be done when power resumes? This is you answer it. Is it correct? What is your suggestion? No, that is correct. But you see, the problem is this. We can either do the complete check again or don't do it at all. Is it correct? So we have two options. Okay. You see, let check done again. Then what is going to happen? If we do check again, then this is 8293 and Deepu will be 7129. You see, how we shall undo the process? Is it correct? And undo a process is not very easy. Is it correct? Undo a process is not easy. No, flag is a very vague term. We shall certainly be using a flash. But how to use flags? Is it correct? It is a vague term. How to define the flags properly? Is it correct? Yes. In proper method, how it is to be done. Is it correct? So if we do it again, Anil will be getting 2 times the money. And if we don't do it, then Deepu amount is not deducted. What is a solution? You see, but first problem comes here. We do not know which statement has been done and which statement has not been done. Is it correct? And as someone has suggested that we should use flag in front of every statement, we shall make the value of the flag 1 if the statement is done. But the question comes whether we shall do the statement first and then change the flag or vice versa. Is it correct? If we have updated the amount of Anil but the flag is not updated, you see, update of the flag and the amount cannot be simultaneous. Is it correct? We shall update the flag, we shall update the amount. Is it correct? Suppose we have updated the amount but not the flag. If we update the flag first, then if we have updated the flag but not the amount, then what is going to happen? So the problem is not easy. And other thing can also take place. Is it correct? We are doing Anil is equal to Anil plus 1023. We have started updating it part by part. So we are supposed to do 7280. We could update first 2 digits and power fails. What is your suggestion? We do not know how much work we have done during processing. As someone has suggested me, yes, Sai Krishna has written it correctly. We shall not delete the value of originals. So we shall maintain 2 copies, updated variable and the old copy. Is it correct? Okay. And we shall see how corrections are to be made. No, that is all right. That is always a solution. Is it correct? But the battery can also fail. That is a very crude kind of solution. Which person does it? We want to find out a software solution. Is it correct? So let us see what is the solution. As someone has suggested me that we shall maintain 2 copies, updated copy and the original copy. Is it correct? Let us see. Let us not call it actual information. Let us call it information. Now, we shall maintain 2 information. One of them is actual information and one of them is log information. Duplicate information will be maintained. Our actual information is this. Is it correct? And Anil is equal to Anil plus 1023 is done, and Deepu is equal to Deepu minus 1023 has been done. Is it correct? Now, let us see how the things will proceed. Anil is equal to 6267 plus 1023 is equal to 7080. But actual information is not updated. Only in log. So we shall maintain two information. Actual information and log information. We are maintaining two information, actual information and log information. So actual information is unchanged. Is it correct? Now, Deepu is equal to Deepu minus 1023 is equal to 7029 only in log. Is it correct? Only in log. Now, on log done is written. Now, actual information is updated. Now, actual information is updated. Now, Anil is equal to 7080. Is it correct? And here Deepu will be updated. Now, power fails. Log. Log is basic. Log stores what is to be done. Is it correct? What is the meaning of log? Log means what is to be done. So there is a log file in which whatever is to be done is written here. Is it correct? We shall see to it. We shall see to it. Now power fails. Okay. Now power fails. Since in the log done is written, only log is done again. Is it correct? So we are trying to modify the actual information again. No, updation is working in original place only. Updation is working on original place only. In the original place, previously Anil 62767 was there. This has been changed to 7280. Is it correct? What is our log? In the log, this will be done again. Again, it will be changed to 7280. And Deepu will be changed to 6268 7129. Is it clear to you? Now, our actual information is this. See, we want to do Anil is equal to Anil plus something and Deepu is equal to Deepu minus something. So, the amount of the Anil will be updated in the log, but not in actual information. And similarly, Deepu will be updated only in the log. And on the log, we shall see that we have done our work. In the log, we shall write that our work has been done. Now, actual information update will start, but when the partial update has taken place, power fails. So when power comes, we shall do Anil is equal to Anil plus 7. Anil is equal to 7280 and Deepu is equal to 7129 again. Addition and subtraction part will not be done again if in the log done is written. You see, because log means duplicate information. You see, P is equal to P plus 5. Initial P 17. Is written in log as P equal to 22. High. If P equal to P plus 5 is done 2 times, then P is 27, which is wrong. Do you understand? However, if P equal to 22 is done 2 times, then correct. You see, what was the problem previously? Anil is equal to Anil plus something and Deepu is equal to Deepu minus something. Suppose these operations are done more than once, then what will happen? Or one of them had been done more than once, then what is happen? We shall get the wrong result. Now, these two operations have been replaced by those operations whose multiple doing is equivalent to single doing. Do you understand? Multiple doing of P is equal to P plus 5 is wrong. Multiple doing of multiple doing of P is equal to 22 is correct. Do you understand? You see, what is a log? Log is a duplicate kind of paper in which some rough work is getting done. Log is a place where rough work is getting done. We want to do Anil is equal to Anil plus something and Deepu is equal to Deepu plus something. By mistake, if we do these operations more than once, then we shall get the wrong result. Or one of them more than once and one of them is once. On the other hand, Anil is equal to 7280 and Deepu is equal to 7129. If they are done again 2 times, it will not make any difference. Is it correct to you or not? So I will explain. No, this is wrong, Shekhar. Shekhar is fully wrong. When power cutting, we are not starting from the beginning. When power is cutting and in the log done is written, then we shall only do the log, not from the beginning. Okay, it will become clear to you. Following algorithm is used. In log, updated values of the variables are written. Is it correct? Now, after that, step 1. Over is done is written in log 3. Actual information is updated. Correct. 4th, over is written in log. Is it correct? That's correct. I have written it. Now, normal method is in the log updated values of the variables are written. Done is written in the log and actual information is updated and over is written in the log. Is it correct? Now forget about power fail. If power does not fail, then we shall proceed in this manner. Is it correct? Let us see an example. Let us see an example. Let us see. Actual information is this. Check is this. Now, step 1 is what? In step 1, Anil is equal to 6280. Deepu is equal to 8129. Only in, is it correct? Only in log. Step 2. done on log. Step 3. Our actual information changes. Anil is equal to 628 7280. Anil is equal to, yes, that is correct, 7280, and Deepu is equal to 7129. Now step 4. Over in log. Is it correct? Now, when power fails, on the arrival of power, following is observed. Yes. A. Nothing is over, done, not written in log. Do from beginning. B. Unwritten, but over not written. Do log only. C. Overwritten, do not do anything. Is it correct? Is this method clear to you? I will put it here. This is the algorithm which we shall follow. Any doubt? Now we shall see different stages where the power fails. This is the algorithm which we are going to follow. Any doubt? Think about it. No. We shall update according to log, not from the beginning. Pranav, plus minus are not done. Done is not written. Do from beginning. Do plus minus. Do
No,
log
sir, when you're
only.
saying do log only, what
It
do you mean
means
by
that no
log?
plus minus will be done.
Yes, sir, so that's what I'm saying. Then we should just update the actual information,
That is correct.
not do the log.
No, but what is the difference between A and B?
So in A, we'll have to do the log
In
as well,
A,
right?
we shall do complete processing of the check. Is it correct?
Yes.
And in B, complete processing of the check will not be done. Plus minus will not be done. Only whatever value has been written in the log, that will be done. Is it correct?
So when you're saying do log only, log means we have to do plus minus, right?
No. In the log, we have already written. In the log, we have already written Anil is equal to some value and Deepu is equal to some value. Only those values will be updated and nothing else will be updated.
So that updation only you are calling doing log.
That is correct.
Okay, sir.
But no computation is to be done. Is it correct? No computation will be done in step 2. Is it correct?
Yes, sir, got it.
Got it. Please ask your doubts. So you see, when power fails, no. When power fails, then the status of the log is checked. If done is written, then only the values of the log are transferred to actual. No. Do log only means we shall not do any plus minus computation. We shall only be writing this. We shall only be doing this. Is it correct? We shall only be doing this. The bold thing, if you can see it. No computation will be done if if done is written. Do you see the difference? Any doubt? No. Do log means update from log to actual? No. Do log means, okay, yes. Do log basically means no plus minus to be done. Actual information is updated by using log only. Fully correct, Niranjan. Log done means update using log only. You see, just understand. Initial P is equal to 17. P is equal to P plus 5. Now, how we can update P? By doing 17 plus 5 or by doing 22. Do you understand? You see, it will see the log. When power comes, we shall see what is written in the log. Is it correct? When power comes, it will see what is written in the log. We shall see. Now, what is your question? In step 1, the calculation will be stored. In the step, calculation will be done. Recalculation will be done. Done not written, do from beginning. Is it correct? Recalculation in step A. Recalculation is done. The actual information is updated using log only. Recalculation is done using actual information. Is it correct? Jannat, have I answered your question? We shall see to it. We shall see to it. Now, we shall see to it. That is correct. Roy, you are fully correct. Now, you see, but it is not so easy. Let us see. Let us see this. Now, we are doing step 1. Step 1 we are doing. That is correct. After step 4, the lock can be deleted. Yes. After step 4, the lock can be deleted. Is it correct? Fully correct, Gyan. In step 1, Anil is equal to 6267 plus 1013 equal to 7080, and Deepu is equal to 8142 minus 1023. Now, is equal to 7, 1, 2. It is not clear to me. What do you see? Power fails. Power fail. What will happen? You see, we were doing computation. In the middle of the computation, power has failed. 712 was getting done, but 9 could not be done. The power has failed. So what will happen? You see, we could do 712, but power has failed. 9 has not come. Is it correct? Now, power fails. Do all over again. Now, then power reassume. Do all over again. Is it correct? Done is not. That is correct, Gyan. Gyan is fully correct. We shall do all over again. Is this correct? Yes. Now, let's further proceed. Step 1. Step 2 is done. Step 3. What we are doing in step 3? In step 3, we are updating the actual information. We are doing Anil is equal to 7280. 7280. 7280 and Deepu is equal to 7142 could not be updated. Correct. 29 could not be written. Power fail. That's yes, fully correct. If 7129 has been done, we shall come to it. And step 2 could not be do, then recomputation. Yes, we shall again do it from the beginning. Yes, fully correct. Fully correct. So it is a recomputation, double work. Fully agree. Is it correct? Now, we are only able to update first two digits and power fail. Now, when power arrive, then what we shall do? Our information is this. This will be changed to 7280 and this will be changed to 7129. Do you agree? We shall take one more example, then the things will become clear to you. Information is this 7129 done. DON power fail. DON has been written, but E has not been written. When power comes, do all over again. Is it correct? Is this correct? Yes. E is not written. Yes. Full done is not written. Do all over again. There is no harm in it.
So do all over means even the log will be computed once again.
That is correct. Recomputation plus minus will be done again.
So, but can't we say that if D is written, we can check somehow that.
Yes, yes, you are fully correct. You are fully correct. If D is written, that itself is approved. But you see, these things will be written in the form of flag 01. Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
And once we are writing 0 and 1, then maybe that half of the upper part of the 0 is complete, but the lower part is not complete. Then how we shall conclude about it?
Sir, I have a doubt. Can't we have two flags, one for fail and one for done?
One for?
One flag for fail and one flag for done.
You see,
Not for fail, sorry. So
flag,
for
flag fail cannot be set. Is it correct? Power होने से power, when the power is going to go, we cannot set the flag.
okay.
I can understand what you are telling. We shall have only one flag. Initially, we will assume it to be flag is equal to fail is equal to true. And once done is written, flag is equal to false. Is it correct?
Yes, I got it now.
Who are you speaking?
I'm Pranav.
That is the doubt clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Any more doubt? Ask question. In the previous example, write down the complete example. What you have written in B, it is not clear to me. Which example you are talking about? Ask your doubt. Which example? Okay, I am coming to you. What is the problem here? Deepu 71 power fails. So basically step 1 has been done. Done is not written. So from the very beginning we shall start computing. What is the problem? That is correct. Yes, you are correct, Jannat. Is it correct? Because you see, done will not be written, a flag value will be there. Is it correct? Yes. So you see, in case of D written, anything can be done. In case of D written, anything can be done. We can either do recomputation or we can start from the log only. Is it correct? Sekhar, what is your question, Sekhar? Sekhar, what is your question? That is correct. Jannat, you are fully correct. Rather, we shall write only 0 or 1. We shall make it 0 and 1. That is correct. That is correct. I agree with you. I agree with you. Okay? I agree. Now, Sekhar, is your doubt clear? But here step B will not be applied. Clear. Now, let us see. Let us see. How this is maintained. We shall see. Actually, how it is done. We shall see. We shall not store the values of the variables. Rather, we shall store the pointers. Deepu is equal to 8142 will be written like this. We shall have memory 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. We want to do Deepu is equal to 8142. In some memory, we shall write 8142 and we shall write Deepu is equal to 4. Now, hurry. We shall write 0. In 0 memory, we shall write 3, 4, 4, 5. And we shall write Hari is equal to 0. Now, Anil, we shall write 3 and we shall maintain 6 to 6, 7. This is how the actual information will be in this format. This is actual information. Is it correct? There is no concept of log. Now, we shall do this. Anil is equal to this. How we shall do Anil is equal to Anil? We shall take some dummy memory. Anil 36. In 6 memory, we shall do Anil is equal to Anil plus 1023. Anil will mean 3, 6 to 6, 7. So in the 6th memory, 7280 will be written. Similarly, Deepu, we shall change it in other memory 5. Deepu is equal to 1013 will be written. Deepu is what? 6267. Deepu is what? 4. 4 is 8142. 7129 will be written indirectly. Is it correct? And if power fails, then these 5, 6 will be deleted. Is it correct? Now, when power comes, then this will be modified to this 5 will be moved to at this place and this 6 will be moved to this place. Class over. And any doubt can be asked. Any doubt? And I am putting it, yes, yes, yes. I will repeat it. You see, I will tell you. Initially, Deepu is 8142, so Deepu 4 is written. Do you understand it? We are storing the pointer where the actual information of the Deepu is there. Is this correct? Yes. Now, when we are updating the value of Anil in some other memory location without disturbing the old memory, we are putting this information. And the updated memory pointer is here. When complete work is done, then these updated locations are transferred here. Is the things are all right to you? And if power fails in between, then all these things which are after comma are simply deleted. Is this all right to you? Clear. Any more doubt now? Kasif, can you understand this?
So, sir, in this concept, this is the second method we are using. Means we are creating one copy, just like in log case we have used.
That is correct. In log also we were doing the same thing, and same thing we are doing